I'm rewatching my thing.
VIPs, welcome to Stella home office. I'm here in San Francisco. That's where our headquarters is based, in Brisbane. And I'm here for our leadership conference. We kicked off the morning with some amazing training and insight into the future of Stella and Dot. And I want to give you guys a quick tour of the office. What do you think? Okay, but before I do that, I have to show you. Right here we have set up, hold on, let me flip this down. We have set up right here a display of everything that a new stylist could get this month when you join with our best sellers kit. So we have just 2 kits that are available right now on special. One is $99 upfront for $500 in product that you get to select. This one right here is $199 upfront to start. You get all of this product, which is $1,000 in value, and these are proven bestsellers. So it's a really, really great way to get started strong and take some of that guesswork out of what's gonna resonate well. And then these are all the business supplies that come in your business in a box. You get the new lookbook, which is a really cool new design. We've updated our lookbook, made it a little smaller to preserve more paper. It has great styled looks together, and then in the back it has all the products by category. You get this great poster to hang in your office, some folders, and all of these other great marketing tools. So again, that's $199 upfront, and you get $1,000 in product. Definitely let's chat about it if you're intrigued and want to do something fun in the new year, because there's never been a better time to start. So, okay, with no further ado, let's take a quick trip around the office. This is a beautiful, beautiful office space. So it has all this open seating and then just gorgeous views, panoramic views all around. There's cool seating areas here. There's all these really cool little lounge type areas and places where people can collaborate and work together. Another thing that I love is how we have our values right up here on the wall. So that's something that everyone who works here can look at every single day when they're at work and reflect on. And how cool is this kitchen? I mean, this is so beautiful. So we had our breakfast and lunch served here today. The coolest chandeliers ever, and it's just an absolutely gorgeous space. And here's all this good food that we had rolled out for us. There were salads and wraps and sandwiches and sparkling water, chips, all this good stuff. Really, really good food. We always get fed really well at any Stella and Dot event. So you come on, if you loop all around here, this is where our tech team sits to work, and they're the ones who do everything to develop our beautiful website. We have the most amazing app for business owners to use to literally put your business in your pocket, where you can do everything from your phone. It's all created in-house, so it's completely proprietary. It's the coolest thing ever. These cute bikes that anyone who works here can use. Another cool little seating area. There's conference rooms around here. Okay, and then coming up over onto here, there is over there where those blinds are like covering it. That's the product room where they have all the current products stored so that they can always grab them for a photo shoot or for a video, which right in here is the video room. So they're actually shooting a video right in there now. That's my friend Liz. So she's showing some cool ways to style a scarf. And that's really awesome. Then out here are some more desks. And again, everything is just so gorgeous, so well designed, and really functional too. We were just saying it's like such a great space because it's really beautiful, but it seems like it functions really well. So if you look out here, there's some ugly construction, unfortunately, but then they have the most beautiful views of the marina and palm trees, and it's just so, so pretty. It's kind of a gloomy day. So over here, this is where we kicked things off this morning. You can see there's the kitchen, so we're going around in a circle. They have little letters for everyone who's here to pick up, a little note, this cool backdrop. And when you walk over here, this is the product wall. So this is all of the things from our new collection, all out on display really nicely. So it's fun to see everything and see some of the things that I didn't add to my samples. Some of our clothes, so gorgeous. I love this ruffle pullover. So this is one of the things, I got the striped one that didn't arrive yet in my order. And it's a similar style to the zip pullover, but it's a totally different fabric. So it's a little bit more of like a knit versus, it's not like fleecy, if that makes sense. Okay, so over here, this is where we checked in, and there's a really big conference room in there. I just love those chandeliers, they're so pretty. We have another product table over here with all of the new line. This is where the elevators are, and it's just so pretty when you come up, and it says Stella and Dot Family Brands. Hello Gorgeous is over here on the wall, which is so cute. I love this little area right here. So pretty. So we're walking back over to the other side where I just was, and we're gonna kind of weave through. Then when you walk this way, there's more desks, more seating. Okay, so this was where we started, just so you have that frame of reference. You walk this way, blah, blah, blah. More people working, making the magic happen over here. And then when you walk over here, another cute lounge space, another great conference room. And then how cool is this? This is the Ever Beauty Bar. So Ever is our sister brand, which is skincare and really pretty makeup. And so you can come over here and touch yourself up. There's hair products and makeup and anything that you could want for a little refresh during the day. So we're all having a lot of fun playing around with that. I'll wait for you guys. And when you walk this way, I love these little areas. So there's these little phone booths where you can go in for just someone who has like a one-to-one meeting or needs to make a phone call or do a live video or something, can go in there. There's some more desks over here. And each one of these little phone booths has the cutest wallpaper. So you can see there were some people working in there today. This one is one of my faves. And okay, over here is the corner office of our CEO and founder, Jessica Heron, who so generously left the door open for us today. So we're actually going to her house later as part of the training. So we haven't seen her yet, but I'm going there in a couple hours, and she left this open so we could totally come in and snoop on her office and check it all out. It's so beautiful, and how cool is that chandelier? Beautiful view. So it just must be such a wonderful place to wake up in the morning and go to work at. Another cute seating spot. And I really like this over here. They have framed covers from all of our past lookbooks that go along these walls. So you can kind of see the evolution of the collection. So this was our very first lookbook, you guys. I know you're getting a glare, but seriously, we have come a very long way. This is when we first started, and we were called Luxe Jewels. And then you can see this is the first one where we became Stella and Dot. And I feel like this one is like one of our really iconic collections that where Stella and Dot really started to take off. And of course we've come a long way. So let me show you. So when I joined as a stylist, let me see. I think this was the lookbook that went from when I joined. It was fall 2013. So oh yeah, that's it, fall and winter 2013. So this was the first lookbook when I became a stylist over 5 years ago. I can hardly believe it. Over here, they have all these spaces set up for us to be able to take cute photos, which is just so cool. And of course, we've just announced our trip where we're earning a glam getaway to Mexico, and other things that you can earn along the way are these exclusive pieces. So this is our best-selling getaway bag in an exclusive stylist-only glam print, and a pareo that is also in that print as well. And then I don't see them here, but there's some earrings that you can can earn too. So much cool stuff. It's already been a really fantastic day, and we still have much more ahead. So thanks for checking this out, and let me know if there's other stuff you're curious about or want to know. I'll be posting periodically throughout the rest of the day and tomorrow, and can't wait to share more. Oh, and I'll wrap it up with one last thing. Our mission statement right here up on the wall. So the other side of the office has our core values, and then our mission is right here to stay at top of mind. So I absolutely love that. All right, bye y'all.